Good morning everyone. In today's video we will see how to handle the OpenOffice writer and how to open the OpenOffice. Okay. Now see, this is the icon of OpenOffice. So when you are double clicking on this icon, automatically OpenOffice is open. And the second way is go to start button right here, open office writer. See here, open office. See here, OpenOffice Base, OpenOffice Calci, OpenOffice Draw, OpenOffice Impress, OpenOffice Maths, and OpenOffice Writer. So today we want OpenOffice Writer. So just click here, OpenOffice Writer file will be open. So in this way, OpenOffice file is directly open. Okay. Now the next is introduction of OpenOffice Writer. Okay. First, this is the title bar. Title bar contain the title of that page. When we are saving this document, after that it will shows the title. By default name of this document is Untitled 1. Left side, left corner of this title bar contain the control buttons. Control buttons means close, maximize and minimize. Below this title bar, there is a menu bar. Menu bar contains 7 different types of menus. And below this menu bar, there is a standard toolbar. Standard toolbar contains the standard tools. Below the standard toolbar, there is a formatting bar. Formatting toolbar contains the tools that which required to format the document, such as alignment, bold, italic, underline, font style. Now this is the openoffice.org. In there is a writer file. Okay, now this is our writer file. Writer file contains the ruler. Okay, and this is the work area where we have to format our document. In one by one we will see how this menu works. Okay, so first I have to write myself. Okay, my name is Neha Kotwal. Okay, my school name is Vidya Kunj English Medium School. Okay, मैंने ये 2 लाइन्स लिखी है. Now I want to format this line. So first just select these lines and use proper formatting. Okay, such as a bold, center alignment, change the font style, change the size. Okay, okay. Now the file menu gives the various facilities such as the open new text document or open spreadsheet directly, or uh, uh, close the document, then save facility such as I want to save this document, so just go to file menu and save this file. Okay, wherever you want, you just save this file with the name. I want to save this Neha doc. Okay, save. Okay, so see here, अभी मैंने ये फाइल सेव की, so automatically that name shows on my title bar. Okay, after that, if you want to export this file as a PDF, then you can do with the help of this file menu. The next menu is edit. Edit provides the facility of undo, redo, cut, copy, paste. Okay, then we can change, sorry, uh, we can select the mode such as a standard or block area with the help of this edit menu. Now also we use the find and replace function. So how we use this find and replace function? Just click here, find and replace, or the shortcut key for find and replace is Ctrl plus F. So search here school. I want to search word SCHOOL school and replace it with my school. Find all. So उसने अभी यहाँ पे see here find कर दिया. See here मैंने यहाँ पे find all किया तो उसने यहाँ पे school find किया है. Then after replace all, तो ऑटोमेटिकली यहाँ पे मेरा स्कूल की जगह पे माई स्कूल हो गया. ओके, माई स्कूल एंड मीडियम स्कूल की जगह पे मीडियम माई स्कूल. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू just replace one letter, so you can replace it. Here कैपिटल ए की जगह पे मुझे चाहिए 2 a. ओके, सो फाइंड ऑल, वेयर इज द ए? सी हियर, आपको यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा होगा यहाँ पे कितने एज है. एंड रिप्लेस ऑल. Automatically, see here, search key replaced 5 times. So, in our document, there are 5 A's and that A is replaced with double A. Okay? I hope आपको ये find and replace function समझ में आ गया होगा. So, now this is my document. So, I want to undo it. So, edit and undo. See here. One more time. Undo. सो यहाँ पे जो अभी चेंजेस मैंने किए थे ऑटोमेटिकली मेरी जो ओरिजिनल फाइल थी वो यहाँ फाइल यहाँ पे मेरी, और वो कंटेंट मेरा यहाँ पे ओरिजिनल कंटेंट यहाँ पे आ गया. ओके, so this is the use of undo. And if you press the redo, then the changes, आपने जो चेंजेस किए हैं लास्ट रिसेंट चेंजेस वैसे के वैसे आपको यहाँ पे आएंगे. हमने क्या किया था, माई स्कूल, स्कूल की जगह पे माई स्कूल किया था, सो ऑटोमेटिकली स्कूल की जगह पे यहाँ पे माई स्कूल आ गया. ओके, नाउ in this way undo and redo works. Okay, now the next is view. View menu gives the what you want to see on your window. So I want to see ruler, so here is a click. So if you don't want, then click here. So ruler यहाँ पे चला गया. I want this ruler. Okay, so automatically ruler will display. After that, if you want to toolbars, so which toolbar you want? There are too many types of toolbar. Insert. Okay, so automatically insert toolbar is displayed. Okay, now next is the format. Format menu provides a various different types of facilities such as a change keys. Now see here, my all our document is in capital form. Okay, so I want this in lower form, so just go to format menu, change case, lower case. So सारा मेरा lower case में आ गया. और change case, sentence case. Sentence case means the first letter is in capital and another letters are in small form. Okay, it is in sentence form. After that, if you want to insert bullets and numbering, then you can insert the bullets and numbering. I want this. Okay, if you want autocorrect your spelling, then you can autocorrect your spelling. If you want alignment, then by default alignment is center. So if you want left, then it is in left. Okay, after that, if you want to use the columns, then your data is in column form. Okay, now the next is insert. Insert provides us a special facility to insert the tables, frames, ruler, pictures. Okay, so I want to insert a picture from my file. So libraries, pictures, sample pictures, and this cola. Okay, if you want to resize that image, then you can resize it with the help of mouse left button and drag it. Okay, now this is our insert menu. I hope in today's video we learn 5 different menus, and I hope you understand all these menus. Okay, so like and subscribe my channel Neha's Education. Thank you.